Floor 3. Try these steps in order. Only move to the next one if the previous didn't fix it. 1. Return to the title screen, exit the current match, and go back to the main title menu. This often clears the session state that triggers the error. 2. Fully quit and relaunch the game. Close the game completely, use Task Manager on PC. Then relaunch and try again. 3. Toggle crossplay. Open the game settings, online/gameplay, turn crossplay off, apply, then turn it back on, or vice versa. Restart the game after toggling. 4. Join and finish one quick match. Play a short match, solo or public. Finishing a match can refresh your profile/session and clear the error. 5. Verify game files, PC. Steam, Library, right-click, Killing Floor 3, Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Epic other launchers, use the launcher's Verify Repair option. 6. Restart your network equipment. Power off your router modem for 30 seconds, then power them back on. Try the game after your connection reestablishes. 7. Flush DNS, reset network stack, Windows PC. Open command prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC after these commands. 8. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Steam's, NVIDIA, Discord overlays and close background programs that hook into games, recorders, VPNs, mods. Then relaunch the game. 9. Check NAT UPnP firewall. Make sure your NAT isn't strict. Enable UPnP on your router or forward required ports if you know them. Ensure your PC, console, firewall, or router isn't blocking the game. 10. Update everything. Update the game, your OS, GPU drivers, and network drivers. Install any pending platform updates, Steam client, console system update. 11. Clear console or game cache. Console, fully power down, remove power for 30s, or follow the platform's cache clear steps. PC, clear temporary files or the launcher cache, follow your launcher's recommended cache clear procedure. 12. Reinstall the game, last resort. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall the game. This clears deeper file config corruption. 13. If the error persists, collect info and contact support. Gather. Platform, PC, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, exact time of error, what you were doing when it happened, screenshots, and which steps you already tried. Submit that when opening a support ticket or posting to the game's community channels. If you want, tell me your platform, PC, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, and I'll give the precise menu commands for that platform or a targeted checklist.